Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect to checkout to Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing you want to do here is you want to first go to shopify.com and log in into your account. Once you've logged in into your account, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, which is located at the bottom left of your screen. Once you click on that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the section that says payments. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to click on the add payment method section here. Just click on it. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on search by provider. Now here, you just need to type in to checkout and you will see the option for to checkout. Just click on it and the option to activate this one will be available to you. Now from here, just click on activate. And from here, what you need to do is you need to connect your account for to checkout. Now here, just click on connect. It's going to load up a new tab here. So let's just wait for this one. And from here, it's going to ask us to install the application for to checkout. Just click on install app. From here, just wait for it. But once it loads up, it's going to ask for our merchant code, secret word, as well as the title or order title for shopper. Now from here, just click on update settings and you'll be able to add to checkout into your Shopify account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.